everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moira and today's video is going to be my current night routine. I have filmed my morning routine before and you can check it out in the description box down below. And a lot of you guys seem to like it, so I thought why not also film my night routine. But before we jump right into the video, I would first like to tell you about a product that you will see me using later in the video, as I have been using it a lot lately. And it is the green tea detox mask from Teami blends. I love how it leaves my skin feeling so refreshed and smooth afterwards. It's made of all natural ingredients and it is also cruelty-free. So diba, ano pang hanap nyo? To learn more about the benefits of this product, just keep on watching the video and I may also have a special discount code that you can use on the Teami website. So abang-abang na lang. But anyways, enough with this intro and let's get right onto the video. Woo! As most of you know, I graduated from college a few months back and I am now just really taking my time to relax, be on vacation mode, slow down a little bit in life, and tick off items from my post-grad bucket list before I sell my soul to the workforce soon. Anyways, so one of the things that I learned how to do during this break is cooking. You know, just trying to teach myself to be an independent woman and adult and stuff. So sometimes I will cook my own dinner and start preparing it at around 5 p.m. Time to cook! One of the recipes I really liked is chicken teriyaki fried rice, and the recipe for it can be found in the description box if you're interested. So first, I cooked the chicken breast fillet that has been marinated in teriyaki sauce, and then set it aside. On the same pan, I put a bit of olive oil, add the garlic, onions, and some mixed veggies. Then I beat up around 3 eggs and cook it scrambled style. I just mix everything together, then I add the rice, then I add the chicken. And season it with soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, and pepper, and then I just mix everything. And please don't judge me if my cooking techniques are not right. Oo na, medyo snog yung baba. Pero, you know, I'm still learning and that's all that matters. So that will be my dinner for the night. I like to eat at around 6 p.m, which can be early for some, but I just have this weird thing where I have to eat at that schedule or else it just won't feel right. I usually like to watch YouTube videos while eating. Bree! Bree, say hi!
Hi!
After dinner, I like to take a few minutes to just sit down and chill with my phone so that I can digest food properly and try my best not to lie down because I don't want to bloat. And if I'm not editing a video, I'll probably be playing The Sims 4. Oh my god, guys. I have been playing The Sims non-stop since graduation. I'm currently doing the 100 baby challenge inspired by Kelsey from BuzzFeed. I am now over 50 babies and I just feel too emotionally attached to my Sims that I feel the need to take care of them forever and ever. And you know, maybe I'll make a video of me building stuff in The Sims real soon. Wink wink. Around 9 p.m, I like to start washing up. So if I wore makeup that day for filming or whatnot, I take it off first by using micellar water. Then I use a specific makeup wipes that's designed for the eyes and the lips because those are the things that are hard to get off, especially mascara. And then after that, I finish with another makeup wipe for the whole face just to make sure that I got everything off. Then I wash my face using the double cleanse method. I start off with an oil cleanser, then move on to a foaming facial cleanser. And of course, I also brush my teeth. Then I change into my pajamas and proceed to using my green tea detox mask from Teami blends. Make sure that your skin is dampened a bit before using this, and I love using this to pamper myself once in a while, and it just leaves my skin feeling so refreshed. Its benefits include getting rid of acne and blackheads. It's nourishing, skin lighting, moisturizing, and anti-aging. It is made from all natural ingredients including matcha green tea, bentonite clay, and lemongrass. It is formulated for all skin types, so anyone can use it. I like to leave it on for about 15 minutes and you might feel a little tingly sensation, but overall it's still very mild and gentle on your skin. If you want to try it out for yourself, just head on over to www.teamiblends.com and you can use my code Moira15 to get 15% off your purchase, or Moira20 for 20% off orders of $24 and above. I then wash off the face mask, then I like to apply my eye cream and moisturizer afterwards to lock in all that nourishment. Then I use petroleum jelly for my lips, then I use some lotion for my body to keep it smooth, and I've also started using hand lotion for my hands. During the night, I just like to watch YouTube videos from my laptop or watch something from Netflix. So tonight, I'm rewatching One Day at a Time for the nth time. Oh my god, guys, I love this show so much. It's one of those shows that can make you laugh and cry so much at the same time. It deals with a lot of social issues that we face in today's time. Yeah, I think it's just such a good show that I highly recommend for everyone to watch.
I can't sleep. It's like when people tell me, be happy, you have a great life. It makes me feel like garbage because I know. But what's wrong with me that I can't appreciate that? That I can't feel it? You're right. That woman is not okay.
But I think you know that healthy brains don't go to that place. You need to go back on your meds, Pen.
I don't want to be on a drug for the rest of my life. I shouldn't have to need it.
Well, I shouldn't have to need these either, but I do, to see. And to look rugged, but also smart.
It's not the same thing.
Oh, no? Okay. Want to go for a drive?
Before I know it, it's already 12 midnight and it's time to get ready for bed. Before going to sleep, I like to drink 1 whole glass of water since it is said to keep the body hydrated during the night and helps rid itself of unwanted toxins. Then I go lie down, check on social media one last time, set up my alarms, say a little prayer, and go to sleep. And that's the end of my night. But that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you're updated whenever I post a new video. Comment down below what you want to see next, and I will see you all next time. Bye!